Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do keyboard settings on our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here. Then go to General Management. Then go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. And here, click on Languages and Types. Here you can add language to maximum 4. I have already added. If you want to remove the language, click on Manage Input Language and turn off against other language. If you would like to add some other language, turn on other language as well. Okay, then go back. Here you have predictive text option. Just if you turn on it while typing on the keyboard, predictive text will appear. See here, I am going to typing interface and I just pressed H and predictive text, how high happy is showing here. Okay, this is called predictive text. If you turn off it, predictive text will not appear while you go to the typing interface. See here, it's not appearing. Okay, so if you turn on predictive text, system will also just suggest some emojis along with it. Okay, if you don't want emojis, just turn off this button. Just suggest stickers while typing. So if you turn on it, sticker will be appearing while you type. For example, I am going to typing interface and I am typing hello, and for this hello it will suggest some stickers. Okay, so based on the word you use, it will suggest stickers. Okay, then auto replace. Click on auto replace. As you type, you will see suggested words. Tap the space bar, the enter key, or punctuation mark to enter the highlighted word. Okay, then suggest text correction. Text correction can be done. Okay, it's just you can turn on the button against them so that text will be corrected if you type wrongly sometimes. Okay, then text shortcuts, you can create some shortcuts to your long phrase, so that when you type that shortcut, it can be called off. In this way you can do many customization in Samsung keyboard settings here. Okay, you will see some particular Samsung keyboard settings in other videos. Okay, until then, take care, bye.